Hello everyone, I'm Don from the Yealink product team. Today, I'm excited to introduce our latest Microsoft Teams room solution, the MVC S90. It's designed for the professional AV rooms from boardrooms to training rooms and divisible spaces. What sets it apart is its unique AI capabilities tailored for different situations. Now, let's see how it works. I'll take you through a real-world experience to show how the MVC S90 elevates ordinary meetings into intelligent conferences. Hello everyone, I'm now at the Yealink HQ boardroom that can comfortably sit up to 18 people. We have set up the MVC S90 here that's equipped with 3 UVC 86 cameras that cover the left, center, and right sections of the room. And you can easily adjust the number of cameras according to the size of your meeting room. The MVC S90 can support up to 9 UVC 86 cameras at the same time. Now let's dive into the MVC S90's impressive visual capabilities. I've asked a few of my coworkers to help with the demonstration.
Hello, bro.
Hey, man. The Yealink MVC S90's intelligent UVC 86 cameras can locate speakers independently without relying on third-party audio equipment. The multi-camera solution does not rely on preset positions for tracking. Instead, multiple cameras can collaborate intelligently to track targets, bringing intelligent features such as multi-camera IntelliFrame. The multi-camera IntelliFrame tracks recent speakers and displays them prominently on the screen. You can even set it to show up to 4 recent speakers for remote participants. As the meeting starts, take a look at your remote meeting screen. The multi-camera IntelliFrame divides the screen into 4 sections and randomly selects 4 speakers. If someone else starts speaking, it'll automatically replace someone who hasn't been speaking. Let's invite a colleague who is not in the screen to say a few words.
Hi, I'm Neil. As you can see, when I start speaking, the left UVC 86 camera automatically tracks me and show my image on the screen.
Yes, like what just happened. The right UVC 86 camera seamlessly switches to me, replacing the inactive member.
Thanks to Yealink unique lossless switching resolution technology, the switching process is smooth and the picture is always clear.
The Yealink MVC S90 shows the latest 4 speakers in real time, even with slight movements or different sitting positions. It ensures the best viewing angles. It's all about providing the comfortable and intelligent meeting experience.